Do you know what is the difference between countable and uncountable nouns? Let's learn easily. First, countable noun. Countable nouns are things we can count, like 3 books, 5 people, 10 coins. Now, uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count directly, like water, rice, bread, money. Now, key difference. We use many with countable nouns and we use much with uncountable nouns. Simple. Countable nouns can be counted and uncountable nouns cannot be counted. Easy, right? But one more question between money and coins. Money uncountable and coins countable. But why? See you soon in next reel.